Welcome to my channel, guys, of my Power BI series. So in this video we are going to see what is the difference between the DAX function minimum and minimum x, that is called min and MinX. So we have seen sum and sum x. Similarly, we have minimum and minimum x. So let me do it quickly and show you how it you can use in your DAX. So let me show you the data model and go to the sales table. So if I use a DAX on this sales amount, and let me take a new measure, and I'll say minimum of sales amount, minimum sales amount. Let me zoom in. I'm pressing Control and just scrolling at equal to minimum. It is asking me for which column you want to check the minimum value. So I am checking minimum value for the sales amount. That sales amount is from the sales table, sales amount. Close the bracket, just press enter. So you get a measure called minimum sales amount. You cannot see any difference here because we have taken a measure. Let us go back in a report view and take a minimum sales amount and put that in a card. You can see that minimum sales amount is 1.37. Now, just imagine that, just see the scenario. If I want to know the minimum value from the total unit price, if you remember, yesterday we have calculated the total unit price. So total unit price can be calculated by order quantity multiplied by unit price, then you get a total unit price, and from that unit price or the total unit price I want to calculate the minimum value. So first step you can do is go and create a new column. In that new column you multiply these two columns. After multiplying that, apply the minimum function out from the column called total unit price. That is, you have to use two DAX functions for that. Or the simplest way is you can use a minimum iterator function, that is MinX function. It will do the calculations row wise. So let me just use a new measure, and I will take a minimum of total unit price. You can give a different name, equal to minimum min x. So once I take min x is a iterator function, it will ask me like you need to do the calculations on which table. So I want to refer the sales table. So let me take a sales table and put a comma. Once you take a sales table, it is asking me for the expression. You can take any expression, multiplication, addition, subtraction, any of this expression. So let me take a expression like I want to multiply order quantity table, order quantity column with the unit price column, and then you close it and then click the enter. So without getting a new column, it will multiply these two columns, and you will have a virtual column created. You cannot see that, and out of that you get a minimum value. So if I check, sorry, if I take that in a new card, you can see that the minimum total value will be 1.37. Now, because the quantity is 1 and the minimum sales value is also 1.37, if you multiply 1 with 1.37, your answer is again 1.37. This is how min and minx works. Similarly, you can see in a DAX aggregation function, it will min, minx, max and maxx also works similarly. I hope you enjoyed the session, enjoyed this video, guys. If you like it, Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Happy learning. Bye.